Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. This time we're looking at the S7 2.5K dash cam front and rear, and three things you need to know about. Now this is a dual camera setup. What you've got here, and I had to kind of jerry-rig a way to show it to you, is this is the main one up here. This is the one you have up behind your rear view mirror or up in the front part of your golf cart if that's the way you're using it. And then this is the rear camera. So that way you can record front and rear without a problem. One of the important things on this one is thing number 2. It continues to record even if the SD card is full. Because what it does is it starts looking at the oldest videos that are out there and starts erasing them and recording over them. Unless for some reason it thinks an accident's occurred, then it will lock those files and keep them from being overwritten. Thing number 3, this is an aluminum case which allows for better heat dissipation, and especially if this is going to be inside a warm vehicle or the sun's going to be beating up on it, you might want to take a look at this one. Now this is the interesting thing, and some of you may have already picked up on this. I've got it running off one of these 18650 power banks. Yes, it does run off 5 volts. They don't tell you, they say 12 volts because one of the electric cords that comes with it is set up with those cigarette lighter plugs. Well, that's fine if you're in a car, but if you're in a golf cart, you're typically not going to have 12 volts, or you have to put in a separate down converter and whatnot. And with this, I can run that directly off of a 5 volt pack, and that way it's, I go in and out of the cart, I just take the pack out and may or may take the camera out, and then that's it. The only thing I'm going to have to work on a little bit is getting the rear camera installed, and that way if somebody runs up on me, I've got a good chance at getting license plate information, or if they're running a little too fast, it's got information on here that will tell me more of what's going on when I go to play it back. So this is a very handy thing to have, and if something happens to it, big hairy deal, you replace it. But I was impressed at this point of a product line that it has an aluminum case. So take a look at this one, see what you think about it, and look at getting at least one or more for you today.